The iPhone 16 Pro Max, like any new model, has its shortcomings, which were noted in the first reviews and user feedback. Let's consider the main ones. High price. The cost of the iPhone 16 Pro Max is positioned as one of the most expensive smartphones on the market, which may scare off potential buyers. Many users believe that the price does not justify the proposed improvements compared to previous models. Huge size and weight.
The larger 6.9-inch screen makes the device bulky and less convenient to use with one hand. This also increases the weight of the device, which may be inconvenient for long-term wear. Problems with battery life. Despite the fact that the iPhone 16 Pro Max has a large battery, some users note that battery life has slightly improved compared to the previous model. In some cases, the device may not last until the end of the day with active use. Limited improvements compared to previous models.
Lack of significant innovations. For iPhone 15 Pro or 15 Pro Max owners, upgrading to the iPhone 16 Pro Max may not seem worth it, as many features and specs remain the same. This makes it seem like Apple isn't offering significant enough improvements to encourage an upgrade. Camera and image processing. Some users have reported issues with image processing, including aggressive shadow and highlight correction. This can result in photos looking less natural than expected. These shortcomings may impact your decision to upgrade to the iPhone 16 Pro Max, especially for those who already own older models. With the release of the new iPhone 16, iPhone 16 Plus, iPhone 16 Pro, and iPhone 16 Pro Max, Apple has discontinued some older iPhone models. As of now, Apple is no longer selling the iPhone 13, and the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max have been replaced by the iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max.